Gagasi FM, welcome to Elevate on Gagasi FM. Well, man, big days singenile December. Siphuma ku Beach Fest, kade suyijuxuza. Ungasiboni nje Nkosi yami sinje, si strong, siyazama, Nkosi yami siyazama. The way izinto kade zingakhona. I'm sure you met a lot of Gagasi FM personalities and a lot of people who are affiliated with Gagasi FM. Do drop your comments down below. Ushuguthi, how did you find the experience if you were at the Gagasi FM Beach Fest? Makuthi kade ungekho ke? Sorry mfethu, take amathikiti early next time. Usilalele masikutshena sithi amathikiti aphumile. Well, one of the people besikade sinabo this past weekend at the Gagasi FM Beach Fest is our father, Sphelive, who presents two shows on Gagasi FM, which is the Urban Top 40 on Saturdays, 9 till 1, and the GMS Dance every single Tuesday right here on Gagasi FM. He is a Newcastle born, indoda yale kwanyon khahlela sikhonakela kwandonga kwelika banana cisha kwandonga ziyaduma. You never know. You never know. You never know.
At this rate, I never know.
So welcome to Elevate.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah. So usually I'm the one who does the interviewing. But today I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited. Cool. Being a little to the viewers at home as well.
No, man, life is a series of chapters. Impilo ngamakhasi nama-chapters ahlukahlukene. I always love making this analogy of a book, saying if one chapter ends, there's another chapter that's starting. And there's a lot of people who get demotivated when a certain chapter ends in their lives. I remember when I stopped doing 9 to 12. I didn't know that there was this. I didn't know there was the Midnight Cafe. I didn't know there were so many other things that were coming for me. But it's always sad. Kwashingoma yamakholwe ke kubuhlungu ukuhlukana. Masihlukana kuvama inyembezi. We are not here to cry. We're not here to be bitter or sour about anything, but we are here to allay a lot of talk, perhaps a corner since this past weekend's on Friday, the announcement ANC on the Gagasi FM Drive and the handover ANC over the weekend as well. Take us through the decisions that led you to requesting to leave the Urban Top 40, which you had presented for quite some time now, a couple of months, with Penny Nduli on Gagasi FM. You've now exited the show, not the station. I wanna put that out there. He's not left the station. He's still going to be within the station, but you've decided to leave the particular show. Tell us about that decision.
Well, ngiqale ngibonge nje Khulekani, ngibonge kubaphathi beGagasi kusukela phezulu kahle ngokwekhundla. Firstly, ngiqale kahle isizini, partner wami siqale kahle beku-right yonke into. Up until ngiqale ngibe nokugula nje okungihlaselile esikhaleni. Angisumuntu ogulayo isikhathi esiningi. But this year ngizithole ngigula ngingazi ukuthi ugula kusukaphi, but mangiqhubeka ngicheck. Ngiyathola ukuthi kunesimo esasikhona internally. We did a little bit of bangihlinza kancane. Check damaging again. So we did that. I think I was off work for a couple of months. I'm not too sure how long I was off work. I couldn't do both shows. I couldn't do GMS Dance. I couldn't do Urban Top 40 because I had to focus on getting better. And then ngaze ngahila ke ngabuya mangibuya. I think ngithe ngibuya ngenza GMS Dance. I was ready to do my Saturday show. Did my Tuesday one. I think on Wednesday evening, I broke my leg. Bah! Ngizophuka endlini nakhona. I'm like, what's going on now? So, ngoba ke ngumuntu okhulela emakhaya, umndeni wami uyakholwa kakhulu esintweni. Sithi cha akusibheke le ndaba ukuthi kwenzakalani.
What's the cause of this?
What's the cause of this? Like in most areas of my life, izinto eziningi ayilungi ziyabheda. Uyabo. Well, we did that, and then we discovered ukuthi kunobizo likhona. Ubizo lisuka from ugogo noma engasekho. Lwehle luze lifike kumama, luze lifike kumina. And then from my father's side as well, umkhulu wayenobizo. Nabanye before him babenobizo as well. Kwakuthi ke abawuthatha umsebenzi, right? Kwaze ke kwawukuthi ke sifika esinqumeni as a family ukuthi akwengithi khumuka kancane because ukuphazamiseka engitholayo kuphazamisa uhlelo lwa-Saturday because it's one of the biggest shows on Gagasi weekend. I had to respect that. I had to respect i-position engikuyo kunokuthi ngilokhe ngiba off ngiba on. Ngaze ngacela ukuthi cha baphathi ngibongile bengicela ukuthi ningikhulule ngibe ngizama ukulungisa isimo lesami esesikhona njengamanje. And that's how we came to the conclusion ukuthi no sizokhulula kulungisa izinto zakho but Tuesday ngizoqhubeka ngibe khona.
As far as I know, this is a decision and a conversation that started with the station around August?
Around September.
September.
Yeah, September.
So it's been going on
there.
for a while.
It's been there. Because I think ngaleso sikhathi ama-talks ethu siwafinalize nje but we were still trying to sort out indaba yami iqala ukuthi ngilonge kuqala before like ngithi cha sengiready to proceed with my duties fully. So I had to start somewhere kuqala ngisunderstanding mina ngizifinde ngizithole because remember sikhuluma ngomoya ngayi ngento esikwazi ukuthi siyibone ngamehlo so kunzima ukutela nento yomoya kunento esiyibona physically. Nokuyinto ke ethanda ukuthi mhlambe kuma companies wasebenzela kwesinye isikhathi kubenzima to understand into zakomoya of course. So that is why ngithe angikhuleke ngibe kodwa ke ngiqhubeka nomsebenzi ngo Tuesday. Yeah. But I'm well. I'm slowly finding myself. I'm slowly understanding ezakamoya. And ngizoqhubeka futhi ngisevele ekhaya. Ngikhona ngihambile.
So tell us now about the sacrifice that you've just made.
Sure.
Leaving one of the weekend's biggest shows, one of the biggest chart shows,
Amazing.
A sponsored show.
Sure.
It's a big show. But you've decided to leave because of now you are following this particular path and journey.
Sure.
I do know that anyone and everyone, whenever they embark on a journey, there's certain hopes abafisayo to see at the end of the tunnel. What are those for you as you embark on this new journey? Mhlambe uthi ubalulile earlier on wathi kunezinto eziningi engalungi ningahambi kahle empilweni yakho. Are you hoping to perhaps allay all of those and fix them as well?
Yes, true. I think more than anything indaba iqala lapha ekuthenini kufuna ngisifixe mina kuqala. Again, in a sense ukuthi there's something bigger ekhona esandleni engikholwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungiphathisa yona ekuthenini ngikwazi ukuthi ngilekelele ngisize impilo zabantu edinga usizo ngendlela ke ehlukahlukene of course. So ngicabanga ukuthi kuyongifulfilla mangathiwa ngifike kuleso sigaba sokuthi now sengikwenzile konke ekumele ngikwenze ngasifixa mina kuqala ngafixa nokunye but at the end goal is ukuthi ngisiza abantu ngendlela engizothunywa kuyona kubona.
There's a saying ethi sometimes umuntu umnikeza isandla avela afuna ingalo yonke. Now these entities esdila now esikhuluma ngawo la, these are not entities perhaps sometimes that you can negotiate with.
Yep.
You're still doing GMS house on Tuesdays. What if now the demand becomes a bit more? Are you willing to say radio is a thing that I can call in my past and this is a new journey that I'm embarking on, or will your love of radio still keep you in that particular slot?
Look, la indlela ngikholwa ukuthi la indlela engiholela khona ngiyoya khona ngoba ngikholwa ukuthi ngiyobe ngihlelelwe futhi ukuthi mangifika lapho yes obviously ama challenges ayoba khona but i-comfort ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyithola ngoba ngiyobe ngazi ukuthi ngihlelelwe ukuthi ngibe lapho. Ngineyindlela ke sengizifundisiwe zokunegotiate ngizokubiza kanjalo for lack of a better word ukuthi you are able to communicate with your guides ukuthi guys I'm aware ukuthi ngiyafuna umsebenzi wenu but niyazi na ukuthi le source of income engiyitholayo ngama Tuesdays mangingangikhipha khona ningathi ngenze njani. So ngabili kwesinye isikhathi ngithi mabe ngikhipha futhi bengisa wherever ngiyazi bangihlelele ngicomfortable ngalokho yebo but nginga consulta mhlambe ngikhulume nabo kuqala ukuthi sinegotiate sixoxisane ukuthi ngicela ngigcine ku Tuesday ke ngimani yebo and then mawukuthi kanjani ke then I'll kiss radio goodbye.
Talk about a man who is committed. Anything you'd like to say to your fellow colleagues?
Yeah.
I know that there's quite a few. You've been with Gagasi for a while.
Yeah.
You've worked with
Yeah.
quite a few people, with
Yeah.
Hope,
Sure.
with now Penny Duli, and quite a few people. Wasebenza no Fly Moshi. Baningi abantu abasebenzile now.
Yeah.
Any words
Yeah.
you'd like to say to them at this point?
You guys rock. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I mean, some of his staff, Gagasi, very supportive. Kule journey ngiyon. Because angithi nalento ukuthi manje sibona nemsebenzini sibona ngendlela ehlukene siyahagana, you know. Kuba kuningi esikwenzayo but ngesimo sokuthi they have the idea, they respect futhi indlela sesicommunicate ngayo because ayisafani obviously. So thank you guys for your support. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngisazoqhubeka ngibe khona la ekhaya. Angina.
That is Sphelive, our father. Khona ke la on Gagasi FM. Khona kusasa nje. On Tuesdays on GMS House from 8 to 10 ebusuku. Make sure that you stay tuned and do follow him on all social media platforms for any updates and any questions. Mhlasimbe nawe, you are walking the same journey. Who knows? He might be your father. Our father. Kwaziban. Where do you search for and follow you, man?
Yeah, it's DJ Spit. Just Google me. DJ Sphelive, our father. Just Google me. Everybody knows who I am. So.
Some are same time. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you, Mr. Mbambo. Thank you so much.